Stop Windows from forgetting your carefully adjusted settings with these tips. Now, the first step is to check for malicious programs and other suspicious applications that may be causing your issue. To do so, open Task Manager, switch to Processes tab, and end the task that you think is unfamiliar program or process that is hogging up your system resources. Next up, run Automatic Startup Repair by opening Settings, click System, go to Recovery, then next to Advanced Startup, click the Reset Now option. Now when your PC restarts, select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, then click Startup Repair and follow the on-screen instructions to run the automatic repair tool. Now after you complete that process, restart your computer and check if it solves the issue. For your last resort, check your user file by opening regedit. Go to this path. Now in this folder, identify which profile belongs to your user account by checking if any one of them matches your username. Once you find the correct profile, double-click on it and change the value from 1 to 0. Similarly, change the ref count field from 1 to 0. After that, try restarting your computer and check if the issue is resolved. And that's how to troubleshoot Windows forgetting default settings when rebooted. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.